the 1999 Toyota Camry. If you know what that noise is, please comment and let me know. It seems like it's coming from the timing belt or somewhere in that area.